what's up guys? Now with Alligator Performance. We are hanging out at the BD Diesel facility with Christian here. Kind of one of the more interesting things, in my opinion, is the machine shop. I guess what's going on in the background here, and what kind of parts do you have to show us?
For sure. Actually, on our Akuma here, we're actually machining our exhaust manifolds. So this machine predominantly does all our cast iron. Currently, right now, that noise it's making is some of the 6.7 exhaust manifolds that we're machining right now. Mm-hmm. So we have those available in standard T4, HE351, T3, T6 flanges, yep. EGR, accepted flanges as well as wastegate flanges. So there's right. a lot of parts that get machined on this unit here.
And you guys now do all the machining in-house versus subbing out to other companies for not only quality control, but the time frame. Have crates full of just the raw cast material that you guys get done from the foundry. And looks like we have some raw material right here.
Yeah, for sure. So, and that's what we have. We firmly believe in making everything in North America so we can control the quality. In fact, very few parts are actually made offshore. I could think of maybe one or two tops. We like everything made in North America. Yep. And these castings is exactly why that, right? So what we have, we get the raw cast. Actually, it's all made in Canada. It comes in here. And what we do is we actually clean up the ports and then machine and drill holes into it, make sure the mounting flanges are square, go through all the different EGR ports. In this case, the actual mating flange, which is a very, very tight tolerance slip joint, yep. so we control that dimension to the tenths of thousandths. And that's all done right here at our facility.
Yeah, and that's what I really like the quality control there, because I've used other manifolds in the past that I guess their tolerances aren't quite as tight as your guys's, and running it on, say I had an 06 Cummins that I ran a manifold on, and it just leaked around the perimeter there. It didn't matter what we did. It didn't matter if it was we put some high temp stuff in there, some steel gauze in there, whatever it just always leaked on me. Yeah. So you guys' quality control on this is a great deal for you.
Yeah, definitely, and that's a critical control point, to the point where our machine shop will mate those flanges together. So we'll machine part A and part B and make sure they actually slide together. Mm-hmm. We'll go through, if we need to, we'll actually go through and measure those, utilizing our CMM to make sure we meet the specifications that we right. need to, definitely.
So what do you have behind you? You have what you call a tombstone there.
Yeah, you bet. So this is pretty exciting. So the Akuma is a horizontal machining center, and that's a little bit different from a vertical machining center. For larger production runs, everybody does go horizontal. It's got the added benefit, when you machine horizontal, your chips tend to fall out of the part, so your machine speeds can increase. Additionally to that, you can see what we call as a tombstone. So you have a tombstone here. It's very similar to what's actually in the machine right now. Mm-hmm. And what we'll do is we'll actually mount quick change plates to our tombstone to 4 different sides, right? So whether we have part A, part B orientated through here, we can actually stagger these parts in there. In addition to that, you actually have 2 tombstones, right? So we have another one stage as well. So we'll set up all these tombstones so the machine is actually pulling in the part. Oh, yeah. You can see here, right here, that part just changed, right? And so we would actually set up raw cast pieces on that tombstone, while the other one is actually in the machining center getting machined. So in this case, our utilization is very high. We don't have to pause or wait for an operator to change the parts. In fact, we're machining parts right now. So it's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. We've been here for 2 days now. It seems like this machine has not stopped. It's been kicking out, forward and looks like 5.9 manifolds pretty much the last 2 days straight. Pretty badass setup you guys have here, and pretty stoked to see it in action. We have all these parts available, from the Ford to the Cummins manifolds, and all different T3, T4 flanges available on our website at alligatorperformance.com.